Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel 95% plus prep. In this video, I will tell you about the third page of 95% plus prep website, which is data types. Now move to question number first. In Python, built-in data types are. So in Python, there are 7 built-in data types, that is text type, numeric type, sequence types, mapping type, set types, boolean type, and binary type. So the right answer is option number D, all of these. Now move to question number 2. str is a dash built-in data type. So str is a text type built-in data type. So the correct answer is option A, text type. Now move to question number 3. In Python, numeric built-in data types are. So int, float, and complex are the example of numeric data type, and list, tuple, and range are sequence built-in data types. So the answer of this question is int, float, and complex. Answer A. And also, as discussed, the answer of question number 4 is list, tuple, and range. Option B. Now move to question number 5. Dict is a built-in data type. So answer is option A, mapping type. Now move to question number 6. In Python, set built-in data types are. So set built-in data types are set and frozen set. So the right answer is C, both A and B. Now move to question number 7. Bool is a dash built-in data type. So bool is a boolean type built-in data type. So the right answer is option B, boolean type. Now move to question number 8. In Python, binary built-in data types are. So binary built-in data types are mainly bytes, byte array, and memory view. So the right answer is option D, all of these. Now move to question number 9. Which of the following function can be used to find the data types of a variable? So type function can be used to find the data type of a variable. So answer B, option B, type is the correct answer. Now move to question number 10. What will be the data type of X after the following statement if input entered it 6? So in this question, whatever we enter as input function convert it into a string. So here also data type of X is a string. So option C, string is correct. Now move to question number 11. What will be the data type of Y after the following statements if input entered is 100? Here, as discussed in above question, the data type of X or input is a string. Now the data type of Y is integer or int of X. So the data type of Y is integer. So option C is correct. Now move to question number 12. What will be the data type of Y after the following statements? Here X equal to 10 and Y is float of X. So the value X contain is the value of Y is float of that value. So here the data type of Y is float. So option A, float is correct. Now move to the last question of this page. So in this question, what will be the data type of Y after the following statements? So here the value of X is 10 and the value of Y is string of X. So the right answer is DE string. Link of website is given below in description. If you like this video, hit the like button, and you find it useful, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.